Hello, welcome to another exciting episode of Janky Cooking with Jessie. This episode was not going to happen today, but my son is begging for some braided milk bread and he wants it to be filled with chocolate. So that's what I'm going to do. I bet you didn't know how easy this was, but you're about to find out. We are going to lightly grease a large bowl and set aside. Oh wait, I already did. Good, that's done. And I also already pre-measured all of our ingredients. So we're going to start with our milk. We'll just add this in rapid succession if I'm successful. Who knows if I'll actually be successful. Look at that, that was really close. Well, that's my finger. There we go. Pretty close, huh? 50 grams of unsalted butter in pieces. Okay. Then we need 2 teaspoons of dried yeast. Or you can use 20 grams of fresh yeast if you are not in the U.S. or if you're in the U.S. and have a good supplier. Okay, 20 to 60 grams of sugar to taste. I have about 30 here. 29 it says. And we're going to put our lid on with the cup. Okay, and in 3 minutes, we'll move on to our next step. Moving along, let's see what's going on in here. Okay, it looks like it's ready. Some of that yeast didn't quite get mixed in, but that's okay. So this calls for breaded flour or all-purpose flour. I don't have bread flours in this house. I just have all-purpose flour. Add that in. The one thing I hate about bread making, oops, I forgot the salt. Okay, salt situation rectified. I don't like to knead because I have bad wrists and I tend to get injured easily. So I don't need anything. So this is going to knead for 3 minutes. We don't have to do anything. Just like that. Here you go all. We're just finishing up. And I'm going to open this. As you can see, we have a nicely kneaded dough there. So what I'm going to do is take this dough, place it in my bowl, and let it set for 1 hour. At the end of 1 hour, I'm going to form it into strips. I'm going to braid those strips after I put some chocolate into them. And then just stick it in, well, then let it rise for another half hour, and stick it in the oven. As you can see, there's a lot of waiting there, but not a lot of work. I'm going to take pictures and post them, but that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching how quick and easy it is to make this dough, and that you'll learn something from the braiding. It won't be the prettiest braid, I gotta warn you in advance. This is Janky Cooking with Jessie. It seems like things are getting rambunctious downstairs, so I will let you go. Have a great night.